Previously on Travel with Chris, we went to a noodle farm in the middle of the Mekon Delta River, where I saw how rice noodles are made in Vietnam. But in today's video, I'll be visiting the biggest Buddhist monastery in the Mekong Delta, where I encounter one of the most beautiful places, where it offers an abundance of energy that I've never felt in one place at once. So guys, outside from the floating markets, there is a market that sells all types of stuff, you know, clothes, vitamins, food, all types of things. Check it out. But man, this place feels very Vietnamese. A lot more Vietnamese than any other place I've been through. I would guess that I am the only foreigner around. This is so cool. Now we're about to go to a pagoda. Let's go check it out. All right, Jimmy, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, bro. This is so cool. Wow. Sour.
Oh. Cái kia còn là dâu.
Yo.
Trái dâu.
Oh, can we try it? Oh. Okay.
I can try.
Okay. Wow.
Bán buôn gì mà để không lấy công không?
Wow, this is good. Mamoncillo, bro. This is mamoncillo.
Dâu này gì bán sao vậy? Nhiều. 30.000 hả?
It's like slightly sweet,
Lấy
slightly sour.
30 có nhiều hả?
How much is it? 30. So here's the pagoda map. How many temples? A lot of temples, right?
This is biggest river in the Can Tho.
Oh, wow. So as Wendy just said, the Truc Lam Phong Nam Zen Monastery is one of the largest Buddhist temples not only in Can Tho but the Mekon Delta. It was built in 2014 with an area of nearly 4 hectares. And the beautiful thing about this tourist attraction is that it's completely free to the public. Wow, so cool. Look at this, so precious. Wow. No way. That's amazing. Wow. That's the big Buddha. Wow. Guys, I gotta say, this is a very special and unique experience. The feeling I have in this pagoda, it's different. It's very special. There's an aura in there that, man, feels beautiful.
How do you think when you see the woman Vietnamese clothing the áo dài?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, áo dài in the traditional clothing of Vietnamese.
Yeah.
The woman Vietnamese, yeah.
It's very beautiful. I like it. As you can tell, the Truc Lam Zen Monastery is quiet, spiritual, and very big, with several lakes, pagodas, and many Buddha statues. And as I mentioned, I've never felt this abundant of positive energy before like I have in this monastery. It was a very interesting feeling that I did not even know existed. It's adorable. Oh, so beautiful. Look. Sleeping, relaxing. Wow. Can you repeat that? Can you say it one more time?
Okay.
What did you say?
After you walk hard,
Yeah.
and you have the problem in the work or stress, you can come this here and you feeling relaxed more, and then feeling peaceful, and then recharge energy, new energy after walk to the next.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. To work again. Amazing. It's true, guys. I feel a sense of calmness and peacefulness that, man, I haven't felt in a long time or ever. It's different. The energy and the feeling, you hear the atmosphere. It's so calm. There's no rush. Everything is so slow. It's beautiful. You feel the breeze. You feel the nature. It's so beautiful. I like it. That's crazy. Look at this bell. Oh. What? Wow, that's so cool. Look at that, guys.
You can try.
Oh. No.
You can try.
You can
try.
No. No.
Give me your beer right now. Already?
Yes, we're great.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Enough.
Guys. Oh shit. Oh, we were supposed to do it?
We don't see the signal.
Oh, okay, okay.
They just
Oh, thank you. Oh my god. That's crazy. Wow. I've never done that. That's so cool. Yeah. Wow. Hey man, what kind of leaf is that? That's crazy.
yeah. If you have the other thing like that, you can lay on and then stand.
Really? You can
Yeah.
stand on it? No way. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. Look guys. These leaves. How cool. You can stand on them, dude. You can stand on them. How incredible is nature? Man, Asia shows me how beautiful nature can be. Seriously. That's so awesome. Wow. Fascinating. On the next episode, I'm going to show you what a futuristic $6 bus ride looks like here in Vietnam, all the way from Can Tho to Saigon. This bus made me feel like I was on a spaceship or in somewhat in the future.